Are you looking for a way to sync from Shopify to Mailchimp? With zzBots, you can now install this one-way sync as a bot pack from our bot store. This bot pack contains one bot. This bot will watch for new customers in Shopify and automatically sync them over to Mailchimp as new subscribers. Only new customers who agree to receive marketing emails will be added as new subscribers. To install this bot pack, if you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, start by clicking the link in the description. Then click the install button and follow the instructions to connect to your Shopify account and to your Mailchimp account. After you finish installing this bot pack, you will be taken to the bots page. All you will need to do here is choose the list in Mailchimp that you want to sync to. To finish, save your bot and enable it as shown here. After it is enabled, your bot will continue to automatically sync new Shopify customers to Mailchimp as new subscribers. If you are looking for more ways to integrate your apps together or automate your business, be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. Or chat with us on our website at zzBots.com and we'll be glad to help you.